guys, I'm really excited to do this video as in no joke. I just received this meal kanina and so excited. So this is the colors. And you know how I love my matte eyeshadow? Yun yung pinaka bet na bet ko talaga. So, let's get started. So I'm gonna prime first my eyes with Ben Nye Concealer. Hindi naman sa nagki-crease siya, hindi ko alam, pero mas gusto ko lang talaga nagpa-prime. Pwede naman, primer. Okay din, concealer. Done. Let's set it with a powder. Gagamitin ko na lang tong neutral shade dito sa palette. Let's see how pigmented this one. Oh! Very powdery. Parang similar lang siya nung matte for matte 1. Yung original. Pero this is much more pigmented. I'm gonna start with this shade. Ito. Try natin. And I'm just using the same brush. Wow. I'm not expecting that to be like really parang kitang-kita talaga. I just want na makita yung crease ko, parang ganun. Wow, I love it. Next will be this shade. Gamitin muna natin yung mga lightest shade.
Much more on the neutral side. Ayoko mo nang mag-begin. So, let's go straight with this transition color. Parang bet na bet ko to.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda, bes. More on similar siya sa LOL bronzing powder. Pero this one is more like pink tone.
Using very light shades. Which mas comfortable ako gamitin. No fallout at all, which is awesome.
Then I'll go in with this shade, tong pink, sa crease. Yes! Yan yung hinahanap ko, bes. Oh, shoot. That's so pretty. Ang ganda. Build up yun lang kasi yung color na gusto nyo. Siyempre. Ganda, right? Ang ganda. Hindi naman siya like super pigmented. But for matte, this is pigmented talaga. Masasabi kong pigmented siya. Because not all matte are pigmented. Yung iba, chalky. So, this one is super easy to blend. I love this one. Ganda. Hindi siya chalky at all. Parang lang akong gumagamit ng shimmery ones, but this one, matte. Sa mga shimmery ones kasi, very pigmented talaga. Most ng mga na-try ko. Tapos yung matte, hindi masyado maganda. Oh my, I love this eyeshadow. Pero more on, yung mga shades niya, more on like, kung mahilig talaga kayo sa color. Pero if hindi, I suggest going for the matte for matte 1. Kasi much more on the neutral side siya. So, let's go with this shade. Na feeling ko para siyang tease. Parang sa Urban Decay one. Oh. This doesn't show up really like intensely. Pero hindi ko masyadong nakikita yung color. Building up the color hanggang sa makuha ko yung shade na gusto ko. Sa aking eyes. Whatever. Oh. Bakit ganyan? My eyes looks weird. Okay, so be putting this sa crease area. sa outer corner, like that. Parang mahilig kayo sa color, this eyeshadow is for you. Pero medyo hindi siya masyadong pigmented, this purplish one. Pero nabibuild up naman yung color. Wow! This video is more on first impression. Hindi siya tutorial kung paano ko gagamitin to. But I'll be putting up videos soon using only this one. Pero for now, first impression muna tayo. So, lalagay ko na din siya sa inner corner. Okay, so let's try the darkest shade now. Tapos i-blend na natin. I'll be using this crease. Oh, the black. Some black shades sa mga drugstore, sa drugstore, hindi siya masyadong pigmented, lalo na pag matte. But this one is really pigmented. Yan, see? Hindi ko lang nakikita nyo. If sobrang intense, don't worry, because I'll be blending that in a bit. Lagi ko yun sinasabi. Ganyan siya. So, let's go ahead with a very, very fluffy brush. You can use whatever brush. Ito yung fluffy brush na meron ako. And if you're looking for a really affordable brush, like this one, this is 400 pesos, 10 pieces siya. My eyes is kinda black. Parang nawala yung shade. Hindi ko alam kung the staying power of this will last long. Talaga, parang hindi. Feeling ko hindi. Lalo na if hindi kayo nag-primer. My goodness. It's so dark. So, maglalagay ako ulit ng pink shade. This shade right here. I'm gonna apply that sa aking crease. Kasi gusto ko yung kitang-kita yung pink shade sa aking crease area. Oh. Anyari, bes? So, I'll be packing this all over my eyelid using my finger. Try natin siya, how pigmented it is. I use my finger. Oh, yes! Mas pigmented siya pag finger yung ginagamit. My goodness, this is so pigmented. Oh my. Kaya pala sa mga swatches, sobrang pigmented tingnan. Pero if you apply it using a brush, hindi siya like ganun ka-pigmented. Tingnan. Be-blend natin yan kasi ayoko nang masyadong like dark. Pero gusto ko nakikita yung pink. So, yes. Lagyan natin yung pink. Oh, yes, mama. Ang ganda talaga ng pink sa akin. See? Joke lang. Yeah. So, I'll be blending that kasi parang sobrang dark. Pero okay na din naman yan. Pero as you can see kanina, mas maganda siya kung kamay yung gagamitin. Pero ang weird naman ilagay gamit yung kamay pag crease na, di ba? So, I'll finish off my eyes and I'll be back with you guys in a bit. So, hindi ako nakagawa ng follow-up video after nung pag-try ko. But I really recommend this one. It's very, very pigmented. For a matte eyeshadows, it's very creamy, it's very pigmented. I use it every day. The matte for matte 1 and the matte for matte 2, I use it always. And I really like it. Yung aking main concern lang is hindi siya long lasting. If you have an oily eyelid like me, maglagay kayo ng primer para long lasting siya. Yun lang yung main concern ko and the rest, I love this one. Do I recommend buying this product? Yes, yes, yes. Kasi matte eyeshadow is really good for everyday makeup. Hindi naman talaga ako pumupunta ng mga parties, hindi ako ganun eh. Wala naman akong pinupuntang event, so mas gusto ko yung mga matte eyeshadows kasi yun lang yung mga nagagamit ko eh. Lalo na sa probinsya, like dito sa amin. So yun, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!